So here's how to sell templates on Canva. Before we start, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to try out Canva Pro. Canva Pro is the premium version of the online graphic design platform Canva, offering access to a wider range of features, templates, and media. So first of all, let's check out the plans and pricing section on this page. Once you're here, you will get to see all their available plans that they offer, starting with free, Canva Pro, and Canva Teams. You can also check out their monthly and yearly plans separately. Now, let's scroll up and click on Login. If you don't already have an account, just click on my link to try out Canva for free. So here on the dashboard, you will get to see all of these options. Now, let's click on Create a Design on the top left. After that, you can choose from any of these options. You can choose any format that you want. I will go with this one over here. After that, you'll be taken to this editor page. From here, you can see all the templates you can choose from on the left. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific template that you're looking for. And as you can see, all the available templates are right here. So scroll through them and choose whichever template that you want. After that, you will get to see something like this. You can play around with all the elements on the template. For example, if you select this one, you will get to see this edit option on the top. And if you click on it, you will get to see all of these options on the left panel. So go through them to choose different filters for your element. Then the filter will be added right away. This way, you can add any filter that you like and view it in real time on the template. Now, let's go over to the left panel and click on Elements right here. And you will get to see all the different elements that you can use on this template. And as you can see, I've selected this sticker. Then, just drag it around to position it according to your preference. After that, let's check out text. Here, you can choose whichever type of text that you want. Then, on the top here, choose the color option, and you can set the color for your text. Go through these options from the left panel, and once you choose them, you will get to see the color being changed on your template. Just select the text that you want to change the color of, and it will be changed right away. Now, let's click on the text and drag it around. This way, you can position it wherever you want. So once you're done setting its position, let's click on the font section on the top. After that, you will get to see all of these options on the left panel. Scroll through them and choose your desired font. So once you're done, let's click on Share on the top right corner. After that, you can use all of these sharing options available. You can also send a collaboration link with anyone that you want and give them access however you like. Now, if you click on these three dots that says See All, you will get to see all the sharing options available on Canva. I will click on Template Link and then click on Create Template Link. After that, just click on Copy to copy the link. You can also delete the link if you want. But for the purpose of this video, let's go back and click on Download. After that, set the file type as PNG. You can choose other formats as well. Then, just click on Download. As you can see, the template is now being downloaded onto our device. And once it's done being downloaded, go over to Shopify. And as you can see, we're now in the Shopify dashboard. On the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. Let's click on Products. So on the Product section, click on Add a Product, or you can also choose Import if you like. We will select Add a Product. Here, put in the title of your product. In this case, I will type in Template. Then, put in a suitable description for your product. You can also generate product description using AI through Shopify. Just type in your prompt, and once you're done, click on Generate. Shopify will then generate a description right away, so click on Keep, and it will be added onto your description section. You can also use the added options on the top. Now, on the Media section, click on Upload New. After that, you need to choose the template you just downloaded and click on Open. And once you're done, the template will be uploaded onto your Shopify store. As you can see, it's now processing, and the upload is complete. Right below it, you can set the category of your product. You can go through the options and choose whichever one that relates to your product. So once you're done setting up the category, let's go over to pricing. This is where you can set the pricing for your product. Then you can also put in the cost per item, profit, and margin in order to keep track of your profits. After that, if you select this option, you can track inventory. Then on the shop location option, select your desired option. Then on the shipping section, uncheck this is a physical product. That is because it's a digital product. And on the variants, you can add different variants for your product. Next, let's move on to category meta fields. Here, you can add more details about your product. Now scroll up, and on the product organization section, you can put in all of these details in order to keep your products organized. You can put in tags that are relevant to your product. Then, you can add your product to a certain collection. After that, you can set the product type. Once you're done setting it up, click on Save on the top. After that, just give it some time to load up. Then, your product will be added to your Shopify store. And once it's done adding, you will get to see this congratulations message on the top. It says you added your first product. So that means the template that you created on Canva has now been added to your Shopify store for you to sell. Also, before we move on to the next step, you need to make sure all the information on your product is correct. So, go ahead and scroll through to give it a check. Make sure all the information are correct. Once done, click on Add Apps on the left. Now, from this pop-up, you need to click on Shopify App Store on the bottom. So, let's click on this option. You will then be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Give it some time to load up. And once you're here, click on the search bar on the top and search for digital downloads. After that, click on the first option from the results. You will then be taken to this page. You will get to see all the available apps for digital downloads right here. So go through the options and choose whichever app that you want to use. I will go with this one over here that says Big Digital Downloads Products, and it is built for Shopify. So let's click on it. Over here, click on Install. Then, you'll be redirected to the next page. Give it some time to load up. Over here, you will get to see this Install option, so click on it. And the app will then be installed on your Shopify account. Once it's done, just go over to the left and click on the app name right under Apps. And as you can see, you need to get a subscription in order to start using it. For now, we will click on Skip. As you can see, the app is now installed. Now you can easily sell your Canva template on your Shopify store as a digital download. And that is exactly how to sell templates on Canva.